This is Sarah from Braver Technology Solutions. Microsoft OneNote is one of the most versatile tools included in Office 365. It is perfect for creating notes to stay organized and on task, but did you know it has many other features? We've rounded up 5 of our favorite OneNote tips in this video that will make you an expert in no time. Including an Excel spreadsheet in your OneNote notebook is a great way to keep all your data in one place. Keep in mind that changes you make to the spreadsheet in OneNote won't appear in the original file in Excel. On the Insert tab, choose Spreadsheet, Existing Excel Spreadsheet. Find and click the file you want to add and choose Insert. Choose Insert Spreadsheet. There's nothing worse than taking notes in a meeting, only to find that they are unorganized and confusing when you reference them later. The beauty of OneNote is that it is designed to keep you organized and on task when taking meeting notes. Our favorite way to use this feature is to link your OneNote meeting notes through Outlook. Start in Outlook and open the meeting item. Select the Meeting Notes button between the Scheduling Assistant and the Respond buttons. If you are not the meeting organizer, you cannot send notes to all the participants. However, you can still take notes on your own and share them. Using the SUBPAGES feature allows you to organize a group of notes together. To do this, you will need at least 2 pages, one for the main page and a page that will be the subpage. Move the mouse pointer over the Page tab on the right side of the page. Drag the Page tab to the right until the title is indented. Section groups are ideal for keeping related sections together, allowing all your notebook tabs to fit on the screen. To create a section group, do the following. Open or create a notebook in which you want to create one or more section groups. Right-click any section tab and then click New Section Group. Type a name for the section group and then press Enter. You'll see the new section group to the right of the section tabs near the top of the page. After you have taken organized and top-notch notes using these tips, you'll probably want to share your notes with the world. OneNote makes it easy with the Email Page feature. On the top of the OneNote ribbon, click the Email Page button. This instantly creates an email within Outlook with your notes in the body. Want even more Microsoft Office tips and tricks? Check out our previous posts on PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and Outlook at bravertechnology.net.